Part 2. Wow. Part 2. Wow. So, let's start. Ayun na nga, yung the drum part. Ayan. So, ano ba yung unan muna nating gagawin? So, ituro ko muna yung subdivision. So, ang subdivision is quarter note, 8 note, 16 note. Doon muna tayo. Huwag muna tayo sa triplets or sa ano to? Groups of 6. 8 note triplet, ano pa bang tawag? Sextuplet. Kasi pwede mo i-group ang drums into 5, 7, minsan 9. So ayun. So yun yung groupings niya. So yung whole note which is in 4/4 time signature. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So ayun is 4/4. And ang ginawa ko sa hi-hat kanina is a quarter note. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So, one of my friend sabi niya pwede kang gumamit ng subdivision in words. So kung nagugutom ka, ang quarter note is fries. Okay? So paano yung fries? Fries, 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 fries. Ayan siya. Tapos, ang next is ano yung next? 8 note. So, burger. So, anong bilang siya? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Burger. Burger, 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 burger. Yeah. And then, 16th note. Chicken nuggets. So, ang bilang siya is 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E. So, chicken nugget, chicken nugget, chicken nugget. Haba. So, practically, pwede mong gawin is 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E. So, wait. Ayan, it took time to di pa ako nag-warm up. Ayan, ayun siya. So, ayun. So, paano natin siya i-apply sa drums? So, kahit ito lang yung practice niyo, very fast. Wait, I think dapat dito na lang yung mic. May mic pala ako. Ayan, next natin. Anong oras na? Oh, mahaba tong clip na to Ayan, so ito siya. So next is 8 note na tayo. Oh my gosh. Ayan. Next is yung iconic na 16th note. Ayan. Pwede mo siyang gawing one hand kung mabagal yung tempo. Pwede mo rin siyang gawin two hands. Siyempre, ito two hands mo kung mabilis. So, ito na siya. Wait lang. I think yun na muna siya. So yun yung part 1 natin. Master nyo muna in a very slow tempo and then i-progress nyo until maging ganto siya. So let's say middle tempo lang tayo. So, yun yung one way na we can do it. I think like as beginners, pwede tayong we can approach things simpler. So next lesson natin is Ivan, paano yung mga feel natin? So meron na tayong groove but actually one paano ba yung ginawa ko kanina? 1 and 3 ko lang nilagyan ng bass drum. Ayun siya. So 1 and 3 ko lang siya nilagyan ng bass drum. Tapos 2 and 4 on the snare. Yun lagi yung tinuturo ko eh. And then later on, pwede malagyan. Marami ka pang pwede malagay dyan. Wait lang. Ayan. So, ayun. So, with that, marami tayong pwede malaman. So, ayun. O nga pala, how do we learn yung different drum parts? Well, mag-practice ka. De joke. Mag-practice ka in a sense na ready ka mag-learn. Ready ka mag-learn not in a frustrating way, pero learning like the joy of learning. I think na-guess nyo when the time na it doesn't feel like work. It doesn't feel like oh my gosh, I need this. Kailangan ko tong feel para matapos na to. Ako, I've been there. Pero what I'm telling you is y'all can y'all can chill. Y'all can take your time sa pag-learn ng something. Actually, in learning something, sabi ko ang hirap ng double strokes. And then later on nakaka-trap beats na pala ako in like actually hindi naman focused learning pero like in 3 months. Sometimes it can get frustrating in learning